is how fast you can use it to record sales and track stocks, and I'll be doing that in 2 minutes just like you requested. So on the left hand side is the record new sales button. You can see all the items in the store. Currently now we have 6 items in our demo account. Under each item is the current stock in the store. You can see beans, you have 4 pieces, and in terms of pack you have 18 packs, and Joy soap you have 2, and so on. So if you want to make sales, you just search for the item. You can scan a barcode, or you can just pick from the list. Let's say I'm picking Dano milk. I'll just select the quantity, let's say 2 pieces. Then I'll select Joy soap, I'll say 1, and then beans, I'll say 2 pack or 3 pack. I'll add to stock. So in our cart we have 81,900 as the total item. I just press instant checkout, and then it brings up a platform where you can select your payment mode. I just select maybe transfer. This is because at the end of the day the software will tell you how much came in through transfer, how much came in through cash, and how much came in through any other mode of payment that you select. So here you can put customer name, but it's optional. So the total sales is 81,900. So you can give discounts, or if it's surplus, you want to increase the price for a customer, you can do that. You just hit checkout when you're done, and then from the sales overview, it brings up a platform for you to print receipts. So I can print the receipt, but you won't be able to see that. Maybe I'll attach the receipt to this video so you can see how it looks like. All right, so on the sales overview you have the overview of sales. You can select it based on the duration. Let's say this month, if you select this month, it brings up the total sales for this month. You can see the last transfer we did, or the last sale we did rather, which was made through transfer payment mode. It was 81,900. So when you click on the receipt, it shows you the full details about the receipt, and then the mode of payment. Here you can make a refund if the person makes a return. Here you can print the receipt over and over again, and if you have admin permission, you can be able to delete receipt. And sub staffs, junior staffs don't have permission to delete except the admin gives them that permission. All right, so over here we have income and expense, where you can record expenses being made, deduct it from sales being made, and here you can adjust your stock. There's a beautiful feature we added in this new version, that is the adjustment history. It tracks everything that is related to adjusting stock, and here you can select the duration. This is for today. As of today there's no adjustment history, but if I say for this month, you see it loads all the adjustment history we've made for all products. You can see golden on 2 kg. It was restocked 1 pieces on the 28th by Ikpe Paul, who is the staff, and you can see Dano milk 14 was added on the 19th. So it just gives you the history. Here you can see the stock status and pricing. Here is your debt book that tracks people that are owing you fee, people that are purchasing stuffs on credit. Now the beautiful feature about this our new software, unlike the older ones, is that this new software can send direct SMS to a debtor, someone that bought goods on credit, and you want the due date to be in a week time, 2 days time, in a day time. You can set the due date, and then the software automatically sends a direct SMS. Because if the person is in an area where there's no internet coverage, the person still receives the alert reminding them to pay their debt because it's due. So here is your order, and here is your invoice. You can give someone an estimate, telling the person, and you can also print estimate invoice, telling the person this is what you want to buy, this is the price, and this is everything. So when the person is ready to make order, you convert the invoice into a receipt. So this is everything about your supplier, telling you what you're bringing into the warehouse, the amount in quantity, the amount in stock value, and so on. So the software has so many features, including the feature whereby you can see all transactions made by a particular customer. Also in this sales overview, which is very, very important, you can track your online sales, you can track your payment mode by cash, your payment mode by transfer, and your payment mode by POS. You just select the particular day you want to see. You can filter it by date. You can say, okay, this month I want to see all the cash that has come into this company this month. So far on this our demo account we have 14,200. In transfer we have 216,000, POS 177,700. So it gives you all the overview information. You can do in-depth reporting, and like I said, the app is available on iOS, it's available on Android, It's available on Windows and all platform, Linux and the rest. You just access it with your browser, or you can download the app on the Play Store. Right, thank you very much, sir. If you have more questions, just reach out to me. I can do another video, a more detailed video, giving you extensive detail about the software. Right, thank you, sir.